Alright, so this video isn't for all the pro fashion bloggers and influencers out there. You see, this video is rather for anyone new who is aspiring to be a more stylish gent, anyone new who is aspiring to get on board on this stylish train. Gentlemen, this video is for anyone and everyone who wants to use the style tool to be their best damn version. This video is for every man out there who wants to learn the very basics of getting things right straight after. So in case you are an old Men's Essentials viewer, you know my taste, you know the drill, you know what's up, you know the things I'm going to talk about or address in this particular video. So in case you don't want to watch it, skip it and come back next week and watch something more epic and detailed about said specific style item. But hey, in case you are a new viewer on the channel, in case you haven't seen my 500 other men's style videos, men's lifestyle videos, 500 English men's lifestyle videos and over 150 Hindi men's lifestyle videos, and this video is going to help you a lot. This video is going to change your lifestyle quite easy. Gentlemen, this video is going to come very handy. The essentials discussed in this particular topic is going to treat your fancy. A guide to help you be more stylish, a guide to enhance your mighty personality. Yes, a guide to use the fashion and style tool to project your best damn version to the outside world, project your best damn self to the outside world, and please the world almighty. So without wasting any more time, without delaying things any further, let's just jump right into it. I am energy. I am having a whole bunch of energy out of nowhere, but let's just jump right into it. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. This is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so before I jump into the video, before I get into the list of few very essential things, few very basic yet essential things that I think every beginner style snob must follow, must adhere to, you must be wondering, why me? Who is this guy? Why should you listen to me? Why should you take my advice? What's there that I have to offer? You see, I have 3 reasons for you. 1, I understand your problem. 2, I have been through the process and I have transformed myself in that process. And 3, I'm probably one of your safest and the most practical bet out there to help you understand the need and the taste of classic men's style. And that's not my word, by the way. It's not what I say. It's what this magazine said about yours truly, TMB. Yes, this is July's exhibit magazine and that's Project Akoli and a lot of cool other influencers. And I had this article in this magazine talking about the importance of classic men's style, fashion and all of that good thing. So yeah, I have got some background in things that I talk about or the topics that I discuss on this channel. So in case you're wondering, in case you're still doubting, in case you still have 2 minds about giving me a fair try, stick around, watch this video till the end and then give it a worthy try. Cool? Sorted? Alright then, let's get into it. You see, the number 1 style tip, the number 1 fashion or style tip that I have for every beginner out there is understanding the fit right. Realizing the importance of fit and getting it right without a fail, without a try. And you know, this is that one thing I've been preaching on this channel for well over 5 years now. Almost 6 years now. And I guess I'll be on a speaker shouting out loud about this particular topic till I freaking die. Understand the fit right, realize the importance and do it correctly without even trying. Now I know it's difficult for you to find the right fit or find the proper fit for your needs, and that's one reason I was so pissed and irritated at the current Indian fashion item that I decided to design and start my own t-shirt line, probably one of the best fitting t-shirts, one of the few of the best manufactured t-shirts that you can get in this country, the TMB Basics. In case you aren't aware, you can go to tmbasics.com and get one of these amazing things for yourself. Stock coming very soon, but that's not the point here. The point here is I was pissed and irritated at this whole idea of finding your right fit. And I was so mad, I was so annoyed that I had to start altering my things. And that's the very first and the obvious tip that I would want you to keep in mind without fail. Start altering your things in case you aren't getting the right fit, but do realize its importance. Do realize its undying need. You can alter your polos, you can alter your V-neck sweaters, you can alter your full sleeve t-shirts, you can alter your shirts, suits, jackets, anything you can think of, anything that's not leather could possibly be altered. And how do you find the right fit? Well, you make sure the things that you wear, the shirt or the top that you wear fits on your shoulders right. The suit that you wear fits on your shoulder right. You don't have a lot of extra room here and there, and make sure you're in a decent shape to wear that decent slim fitting thing that you're planning to rock. on your handsome body. But do make sure that the fit you're wearing is absolute perfect for your needs. Now, for example, in these two photos, you can see me wearing these XLs and double XLs because I had no idea about silent fashion. And I think I had mad fun showing off my skinny frame, but things have changed. Of course, these are old photos. And of course, now I know a whole lot more about silent fashion, but you see where I'm coming from. You see what my mindset was. You see where I was stuck and unaware about this particular thing called finding your fit right. I mean, I'm not a large size. I haven't ever been an XL ever in my life. I have been a small and medium forever, and I never knew it. I never tried it. The next time you're out there shopping for something that you thought might be of your interest, try sizing down, try wearing something that's way too tight for your frame, and just step it up and get a size bigger than that. In case small is too tight on your frame, get a medium. In case medium is too tight on your frame, get a large. But please stop buying things that are blindly big and baggy for your frame. You aren't aware because you haven't tried the right fit yet. You can see one of our group members, one of our team members has the same problem when he was out there in this college for the very first time. We got him a makeover. We just switched the very basic thing. We just switched his XXL size t-shirt and we gave him a slim fit v-neck, and look at the difference. Look at the way he walks, look at the way he looks, just by making this very simple style hack. This simple style hack is something I live by. This simple style hack is what I want you to believe and try. Moving on, beginner silent fashion hack or fashion tip number 2. Focus on classic, basic, minimal style. Why? Well, 1, because it never runs out of fashion. 2, it's always in fashion. 3, it always makes you look good. 4, it's sharp. 5, it's always going to stand out from the fashion forward people who are looking like clowns, and you are this classic gent who is aware of what he's doing, where he's heading, and all of that good things. I mean, I have been a fan of classic men's fashion for a very long time, and I truly believe that if somebody is new to silent fashion, that's the best place to start and take things forward. Of course, you can try out new things once you are aware of the basics, but I would rather want you to have the basics strong and then try anything else accordingly. What are the few basics, you ask? Well, a solid black t-shirt, solid white t-shirt, grey t-shirts, navy t-shirts, white crisp tailored shirt, blue jeans, dark blue jeans, black jeans, navy trousers, charcoal grey suits, navy suits, and things like that. I have made over 500 videos talking about these specific style items in detail. In case you haven't watched them, head over to the channel, click the channel link in the description, or just go to the channel, search out Mayank Bhattacharya, see all the other videos that you can on our style playlist, and learn everything that you can, everything that you should about classic men's fashion. These are the 6-7 items that I think you should have in your wardrobe regardless, and few of them would include your shoes as well, but we'll talk about shoes in the point number 4, so stay tuned for that. But you know, that's not it. There's this one other reason why I absolutely love the classic men's style and fashion. What is it, you ask? Well, uniform. Find your own style uniform or make your own goddamn style uniform. I mean, true story, this is not even in my script, but this happened in Delhi when I was on my way to Connaught Place or somewhere with my cousin. I was in the metro, I was traveling from somewhere to Connaught Place, and someone stopped me. He was one of our amazing viewers, one of our subscribers, and he just came to me, stopped me. He was like, "Are you Mayank Bhattacharya? Because I can recognize you from the uniform that you wear. Your white t-shirt or your black t-shirt and your blue jeans, it just stands out. It makes me believe that, okay, I think he's Mayank, I'll go talk to him." And bam, like that, I just met an amazing subscriber out of nowhere. So find your own style uniform, make your own style uniform, because this will help you be a whole lot more productive and focused with other things in life. I mean, sure, if you're a fashion blogger, if you're a style content creator, then you have to be at it on a daily basis. But for everyone else who's doing this on a regular basis, who just wants to look good, make this a part of your daily life. Make this a part of your uniform, because you don't want to spend time thinking about things when you wake up the first thing in the morning. You wake up, you wear the right things, you wear a uniform, you're out and about doing things that are way more important than usual. Now, what are few of my favorite uniforms? Black v-neck, white v-neck, black jeans, blue jeans, and charcoal grey suits with white shirts. I mean, I love them, I wear them. You can see all over my Instagram. They are just the one thing that I always wear and always preach everyone else to wear from time and time again. So go out and try out new things. Find out your own signature style, find out your own signature uniform, and make it a part of your mighty personality. But you know, a uniform isn't complete without a pair of shoes, and shoes is something I need to talk about on the list of 5 essential tools. 4th one being your footwear, or the kind of shoes you decide to wear with your mighty style arsenal. You see, a good pair of shoes can either make or break your outfit. In case you aren't aware, people do notice your shoes. They notice your shoes more than the suits, the ties, or the watches that you're wearing. Yes, your shoes are important, and yes, you need to invest in them once in a while. I mean, good shoes aren't cheap, and they shouldn't be either, but that's the exact reason why they aren't cheap. You should be investing your money in it, and it should be lasting you for a real long time. Yes, the footwear you wear with a set specific style item can either make you 10x more attractive or 10x more ugly. So make sure the footprint you're projecting to the outside world is well worth the worthy try. Few basic shoes, few essential shoes in my list, in my wardrobe are the white leather sneakers, Converse, Vans, monk straps, loafers, driving mocks, boots, Oxfords and Brooks. These are 9 shoes. You can start with one and then you can eventually build up to something more beyond this list. But hey, in case you already have these 9 shoes and you are well aware of your style and fashion game, you can try out new things as well. But these 9 shoes are the essential 9 shoes I would want you to start with when you're trying to level up your shoe game. The very same tip applies to your trousers and jeans as well, which brings me to the 4th or the 5th most essential style tip on the list. Hell, I even forgot the count here, but the point being your pants or your trousers. How do you want them to fit? How do you want them to project your best image forward? Well, there are three things you have to keep in mind when you're trying to get yourself the best possible pants for yourself. 1, the fit. 2, the fabric. And 3, the color. Dark colors are your best friend when it comes to trousers and pants out there. Of course, there are some exceptions like white chinos, beige chinos, and light gray to medium gray khakis, but these are only an option when you already have the basics sorted, the basics right. What are the few basics in dark colors, you ask? Well, navy blue trousers, either with pinstrip checks or solid navy blue, charcoal gray trouser, black jeans, dark blue jeans, and a black pant, because I'm a big fan of black pant these days. If you want a detailed video on how do you style a black pant in different ways, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to make it for you. But 5 of these pants are probably the only pants you need to start your things off. Of course, you would need a jogger too if you are in the gym, if you like to work out. A black jogger is a very versatile piece to have. And yes, similarly, a black pair of shorts is something you can wear in summers or in monsoon like we have it in Mumbai right now. But these are the essential pants. Once you have them ready and available in your wardrobe, you can expand your style game to a white pair of pant, a light grey and a beige chinos like what I'm wearing right now. But hey, lastly, the 5th and probably one of my all-time favorite tips on the list is accessories. I mean, I cannot stress the importance of accessories, gentlemen, because my style, or the style that we try to preach on this channel, is very minimal, very basic, very classic, all at the same time. So the only way you can stand out from the group of other stylish classic men is by leveling up your accessories game. Now, what are the few accessories you can have and change your style to a whole new level? Well, a nice watch, a nice minimal bracelet, bags, sunglasses, or things like that. Now yes, in case you want one of these amazing watches for yourself, you'll have to spend hours on the internet finding one. But in case you want a minimal bracelet like this, then TMB Basics has got you covered. Check the very first link or go to tmbasics.com here and get one of the bracelets for you till we have the stock ready and available for you. Anyway, these were the 5 essential things. These were the 5 essential beginner style and fashion tips that I would want you to keep in mind when you're out there trying to use this style and fashion tool to be your best damn version, to be your best damn self. You can come back next week to see a series where I'll talk about the 5 essential grooming tips for all the beginners out there who are trying to be their best damn version, visually, physically, and all of that good things. But for now, I'll have to get back to work. I'll have to keep making more videos and keep helping you the best way I can. Evolve Bangalore happening in October. Stay tuned for that. Tickets are going online very soon. Team Basics t-shirts are coming very soon as well. Stay tuned for that as well. All the details are in the description box. Go to tmbasics.com in case you haven't, and be updated with everything that has got to do with men's essentials. But for now, dress up, stay strong, stay stylish. Don't forget to use this basics in your style tool to be your best damn version. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind.